So this event, the Quick and Dirty, is a weekend of fun and adventure. In that most of the people, it's their first time building a boat like this. Is it going to float? Is it going to sink? And that's the fun of it. And good luck. Have fun. All right, any questions? All right, let's get started with our boat. Ding, ding, ding. Each team of 2, have 5 hours to build their boat. They get 3 pieces of 4x8, 4 2x2s, and they get 6 1x2 8-footers. They get Sikaflex to glue the boats together, and they get some plastic ties to hold them together to start building their boat with. Is the idea that they're building something that they never thought they could do.
So that one's worth that.
For a lot of teams, when they first sign up, their concern is failure. And the excitement is they do build the boat and it floats and they have a lot of fun paddling it and racing it, and they've learned that you can do anything if you try. Okay, Quick and Dirty boat builders, time is up.
You guys gonna win?
We're gonna do our best. Hope so.
Okay.
Yes.
You guys gonna win?
Oh, absolutely not.
Yeah, hell. If the race is to the bottom of the ocean.
You're looking good.
I hope so.